You will fall in love with this beautifully updated and totally move-in ready 4 or 5 bedroom, 2 full bath Colonial offering over 2,100 square feet of finished living space, a flowing open floor plan, gorgeous hardwood floors, pretty built-ins, a fantastic modern kitchen offering an abundance of cherry cabinetry, pretty granite countertops, a huge peninsula bar with integrated 5-burner stove accented with a stainless steel range hood, nice first floor bedroom, and full bath, convenient first floor laundry with washer and dryer plus a library/study that completes the main level of the home. Level 2 features 3 additional bedrooms, a full bath, and a bonus sunroom that could accommodate a 5th bedroom if needed. A super nice and ready-to-finish attic awaits for more living space if desired, as well as a full basement for all the storage space you'll ever need. For the garage lover, a wonderful 2-car detached garage 23 by 23 with an additional 22 by 11 workshop awaits for all those hobbies and new projects. A brand new roof, newer windows and doors, a monobloc water system, 200 amp service, and newer HVAC has been completed, so all you have to do is move right in, call it your own, and enjoy. Immediate occupancy. Make your appointment today.